Super delightful, really easy fish curry on the go today. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Now I'm using a black pomfret. You can use any fillet fish that you want, halibut or cod, entirely up to you. You can see it right there. I'm going to just chop it into nice bite-sized pieces, and then I'm going to be adding it to a mixing bowl. In that mixing bowl, I'm going to start by adding some oil. Now I'm using coconut oil, just 2 or 3 tablespoons. A little bit of salt in the mix. We're going to go with some fresh chili. The amount's up to you. I mean, you can see what I'm using there. Some fresh curry leaves. You can get them. They're absolutely fabulous. And then we're going to add some garlic ginger paste. Now some spices. So a teaspoon each. I always call this the big 4. So we've got chili powder, cumin, turmeric, and coriander. In that goes. Let's give that a mix. So we're going to go over to the pan now, and in there a little bit more oil. I've got a little bit more coconut oil, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Just let them do their thing for a few seconds. Then I've got 1 cup of sliced onion. We're going to cook these around just for like 2 to 3 minutes. Perfect. Next up, the fish mixture. In it goes. Above medium heat, about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time. Absolutely fabulous. About a cup or 2 of green peppers or bell peppers, whatever you call them, cut in a kind of similar size to the fish, and then some coconut milk. I'm going to be adding 400 ml of coconut milk here. Stay on this above medium heat. Let it go for about another 4 to 5 minutes. We're nearly done. Off goes the heat now. Very simply, a little bit of garam masala powder, which is a beautiful finishing spice. A little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Give it a stir. Absolutely wonderful. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.